Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. It feels like it's been a little while. It's only a week. I should have uploaded last week Sunday, but to be quite honest, I've been so overwhelmed with the love and support so many of you have given to my business, the Amari Me business. This is not an infomercial for Amari Me. Details are in the description box if you're interested to know exactly what I'm talking about. But for now, this video is about something else. You guys said that you wanted to see a little bit more of my DIYs. I have got quite a few DIYs I've been doing to keep my hair moisturized. So I'm bringing to you a nice moisture-rich DIY that's going to help us in between the challenges. In between the time of doing the protein treatments, because rice water is back in the game as far as I'm concerned. Rice water really has been the front runner for me growing healthier, longer hair. Honey, I have been doing a lot of DIYs in this lockdown season, and trust me, it has been a little godsend because I've really been taking care of my hair, she says. With my hair looking like bedhead. So a lot of you asked in the comments,
Mel, show us your DIY.
So I can testify that this DIY is very delicious, like jollof rice. Ghana jollof rice, of course. You've seen it in the title, so if you're interested to see what this moisture-rich DIY that I have put together, you better stay tuned to this video. Amla powder, Amla. I'm going to talk a little bit about Amla, but the reason why I have decided to use this Ayurvedic powder is because I want to see the kapow in my curl. I want to see the continuous moisturization. So first of all, if you haven't been here before, welcome. I didn't say that at the beginning. You're welcome, okay? And if you're worried about my behaviour, I'm just a very excitable person. And to those of you who have been here and keep coming back, you guys are amazing. You would know, of course, that I always introduce the hair. So here we have hair, it's bed hair. I've been stretching my hair throughout the week. Been stretching it, finger detangling it so it's messed up the curl pattern. I find that it's a lot easier to apply the mixture on my hair when my hair is stretched rather than curly, because the detangling is too much. Okay, right, so I'm just going to go through some of the ingredients. For some of you, you already know what these ingredients are, but for those of you that haven't got a clue what these ingredients do, I just want to let you know so that you can understand why I'm putting them in. And Amla, which is actually an Indian gooseberry, is great for prematuring grain, so it's helped to keep it at bay. It's an Ayurvedic powder that's been used for centuries, and Amla is fantastic to reducing hair fall. Now, along with all of that, Amla is amazing at soothing the scalp, and it helps protect the scalp and helps prevent dandruff. I mean, if you've got this powder that can prevent these flaky white things on your scalp and in your hair, please use the Amla, okay? Don't go flicking everywhere, because nobody likes those white bubbly things in your scalp. Amla is fantastic for cleansing the scalp. And a fun fact about the Amla Indian gooseberry is that just one of those gooseberries contains 81.2% of moisture content in it. I mean, come on, Charlie! I've got to put it in there. Now, to combine everything together to make a paste-like substance, so I've used two different liquids. And the first one I like to use is my Fenugreek and Hibiscus tea mix, because the fenugreek is amazing for its slip. It's really great for hair growth, and it just gives the moisture that my hair needs. Hibiscus is really great for the pH balance for my scalp, and hibiscus is wonderful for reducing redness and scalp irritation. And of course, if you didn't know already, hibiscus is an Ayurveda herb, and it smells so lovely. You can actually drink the tea and enjoy all of the great benefits that actually does for your skin and your body as well. So the other liquid that I'm using is rose water. I love rose water for my skin. I also use it sometimes to tone my skin. Not only just the properties of it having great pH balance, but rose water really acts as an anti-inflammatory, and its natural antiseptic properties are amazing for reducing any scalp issues. So the oil I'm using here is jojoba. No, actually it's called jojoba. I don't know why people call it jojoba, and maybe because it's spelled J-O-J-O. but I'm using jojoba oil here. Jojoba oil is known to be the closest oil to our natural sebum, our sebum that grows out of our God-given head. Now, jojoba is rich in vitamins and minerals that nourish the hair, including vitamin C, B, and vitamins E as well. And not forgetting copper and zinc. Also to note is that I don't have the measurements. The measurements were eyeballed, as you can see. What I did on camera, that's the measurements, okay? So I'm going to start at the back, I think, and I probably will section this off because last time I sectioned my hair off, it worked wonders and I did it really, really quickly. Right, I'm not using the gloves because it stains, AMLA stains like henna does. I'm doing it because I don't want to get that messy. The other thing is, it stinks. This powder really smells. Honestly, it's got a pungent smell to it, which is why I'm doing it on non-washed hair. My hair is not washed, obviously. It's due to be washed, but I'm not going to do it on clean hair. I need to wash it and give it a conditioner with a nice smelling product. It's got this earthy type of scent, like a woody, leafy type of smell. I don't like it. So one of the things that I will say as a tip is that you need to make sure that every single hair strand is coated and you're really kneading it into the hair strands, like really going in there. So that's probably what takes up a lot of the time. I'm just going to get rid of the spoon by taking the contents. Now I am putting it on my scalp as well as putting it on the hair strands. When I first did this mask, I kind of ruffled up my hair, and it wasn't until the second time I did it, when I did it, I applied it in a uniformed way, like pressing it into my hair strands and allowing my hair to lay down flat, that I saw some really great results. So I'm just guessing that that probably is a little tip for you. You can thank me later. I'm just going to continue with that. So as you can see, I'm just really working it into the hair strand, halving that and going in there again. May I also say that my hair has been detangled. I went ahead and detangled it again off camera because you just want to run it through your hair. You don't want to be there all doing all of that stuff and detangling it. It wants to be as detangled as possible. So once I've got the top half done, I'm just running it down. I take it down towards the middle and on the ends, of course. Can't forget the ends. So really saturate it, really knead it into the hair. Okay, I'm just going to show you again. And I just go right on the ends as usual. And then I'm just gonna tuck that, clip that away over there. There we go. Okay, so I've got the rest of the hair to do. So time lapse, okay, time lapse. Okay, I think this is it. Right, I'm just going to leave that right now. Had to make a little bit more confidential time. Halfway through I was like, this ain't going nowhere. I had to stop, made a little bit more. Again, I just eyeballed the whole mixture. And that was just the right amount, so I probably did a third more extra. Bear that in mind for those of you who have the same hair length as me. I do have thinner density, so those of you who have thicker hair, And even if your hair is shorter, you are going to need a lot more than I have. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to put a shower cap on my hair. And I'm just going to let it marinate in there. I'm just going to let it give it, you know, let it do its stuff. Usually, I leave it on for hours. I don't sleep in it just because I don't fancy, because after a while these type of clay and powders, when they get dry, they become bobbly and they just go everywhere. I've got bobbles all over my lap. And then I'm going to rinse it off with warm water. I'm going to come back here once it's completely washed off, and I want you to see what my hair looks like without any product on before it's even washed and conditioned. Okay, it's about 2 hours, I think, or maybe 3. It's dark outside. I've had dinner, lipstick's come off. At this point I don't care. And yeah, it's about 10 o'clock at night. And I want to just show you what it looks like. My head is definitely warm, so it's kind of had like a deep condition. It stinks. It definitely smells. Okay, I'm coming back. I'm gonna show you after I rinse this off. Just wait a minute, okay? Come back. Yeah, I got a bit excited. Quickly rinse this off, like, and I thought, I've got no product in my hair. It's just the, I've just rinsed it off. And I just want you to just have a look what it looks like. The poppage is really there. I have shine. Yes, it feels lovely. So let me just say a few things. When I was rinsing it out of my hair, it did take a long while to get the water completely clear. There weren't any bits, as you can see. It doesn't leave any residue. And that's probably because you can see the actual Amla powder is a really fine powder, so you can guarantee that you're not going to get any clumping left in your hair. It really does dissolve well once the warm water hits it. So I use a warm water to rinse my hair. So I'm gonna go and wash my hair now and deep condition, because I'm extra like that. I like to make sure that the condition that I'm putting in is really penetrating. I want to really double up on moisture, just to, you know, double fortify here. All right guys, so let me know. I'm sure there's loads of you that have actually done an Amla hair treatment. I mean, I'm definitely going to be doing it in between some of these challenges, because boy, these challenges can be a bit heavy on the hair. And I want to make sure that in between these challenges that I'm making sure that I'm really nourishing my hair. So thanks so much for watching this video, guys. If you like this kind of content, you like these DIYs, I like to see a thumbs up, and that tells me that you're enjoying this kind of content, and that those other DIYs that I've got, then I can just go ahead and edit them and upload them for you. All right, and thank you to my new subscribers, you guys. Thank you, and you're so welcome to this channel. And of course, my lovely online friends, you guys, you are the best. Thank you so much. I've really missed speaking to a lot of my online friends. I haven't really had the concentrated time, but I'm going to. I appreciate all of your conversation, and I'm slowly getting through all of your comments. Anyway, let me know what you guys have been doing with your Amla treatments, if that's what you've been using, and how long you've been doing it for. And we're still doing the month of May challenge, don't worry, that's still coming. I haven't worked out which day it is, but I'll be uploading, and I'm going to be doing an Instagram live. Not really sure what day or time. So if you're not following me on Instagram, I'm not talking to you anymore. No, just kidding. No, follow me on Instagram. Handles are down below, and then you'll be on my live. Anyway, guys, I'll see you again soon in my next video. You take care. Stay safe. God bless you. Bye.